Well, I've almost been here 9 years in sales. Out of high school, I actually worked here, which has been my only experience in the automotive business. I actually worked here in the service department for about 4 years, and then I left and went into another business until the last 9 years. I've always had kind of a love affair with BMWs. It's always been kind of my favorite just by the way they look. And the first experience I ever had back in high school to drive one. Um, I like BMWs because the foundation of that vehicle it kind of sells itself. Um, I believe compared to a lot of other cars that I've driven, they feel different. They're more smooth. They've got great options. They've got great looks. I think if that answers your question, I think this is it. It's one of my favorite vehicles because it is the best premium car I've ever driven. Good question, and that's hard to kind of funnel down to my absolute favorite. I would have to say I'm still a super huge fan of the 7 Series. It's the flagship of BMW. It's what I refer to commonly as the race car limousine. The comfort is beyond compare, and it still has all the moves of any other BMW you can get. It's a great car from front to back.